Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. Now let us start our social science class. Okay children, so all of you listen carefully. Okay, so all of you take your social studies book, page number 30. All of you take your social studies book, page number 30. Take fast. Have you taken children? Have you taken your social book? Okay, all of you take page number 30. Take page number 30. Have you taken? Okay. Now, in the previous class, we have learned fourth lesson, gender sensitivity. Yes? Yes, children? Have you understood that? I hope you have understood. Now, let's recall once. Okay, children? And we will see our remaining topics also. Okay? So, all of you listen carefully. Okay? So, the first of all, we have to know what is gender. What is gender? So, the gender identify the person. The gender identify the person, may be a man or woman, otherwise boy or girl. Okay? So, the gender identify the person, may be a man or woman, otherwise boy or girl. Okay? And also the gender express your behavior, clothing, hairstyles and our name. Okay? So these all the things can express the gender. Okay? Then the word gender describes someone's gender expression. Okay? So the word gender to describe someone's gender expression. Okay? Okay children, have you understood? So what is the gender? Gender identify the person, whether you are boy or girl, otherwise woman or man. Okay, so that only gender. Okay, then gender sensitivity. Next, gender sensitivity. Gender sensitivity act of being sensitive to the way of people thinking about the gender. So the main purpose of gender sensitivity is make the understanding the rights of women. We have to give equal respect, equal opportunities, both women and men. Okay, we have to give equal respect, equal opportunities, equal rights, both women and men. Okay, nowadays we can see every field, everywhere the women are playing important role. Yes? Yes or no? Can you see? Like bank, school, hospital, like that, everywhere, every field the women are showing their talents. Yes? The women are showing their talents. Yes? Yes or no children? So, gender sensitivity aim to create the awareness. Create the awareness both women and men. Okay, we have to give equal respect and equal opportunities both the women and men. Okay, nowadays in our government also making all the effort to improve the status of women and their safety. Okay children? Okay, can you understand? Then education field. Nowadays all the field, wherever we go, we can see all the field the women are playing important role. Yes, playing means not game. Okay, playing means showing their talents. Okay, okay children. So the women are showing their talents. Yes, nowadays we can see everywhere, every field the women are very important field. Yes, women are very showing their talents. Yes, then education field also the women are showing their talents. Okay, nowadays we can see many girls are well studied. Yes, well educated. Yes, but in olden time, the past and period, the girls are not allowed to go to school. Even they were no go to school. Okay, but nowadays we can see all the girls are well educated. How it is that during the British period only, the British reformer, his name is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Okay, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. He is the British reformer. He is the British reformer. He only first of all opened the schools and colleges for girls. Okay, then only nowadays all the girls are well educated. Okay, so that nowadays our government also provides some loans and scholarship for girls education purpose. Okay, and then employment. Next, employment. Nowadays employment field also we can see everywhere, in the school, banks, hospital, banks, office, post, police station, even driving the buses, car, auto, like that. All the field the women are showing their talents. Okay, but in the olden time the women are only fit for the housework, like cooking, washing, cleaning, carrying the children, like that. They were working their home itself. But nowadays we can see everywhere, every field the women are playing important role. Okay, and then Indira Gandhi is the first prime minister of our country. The Indira Gandhi was the first prime minister of our country. And then Mother Teresa also we can see remarkable women. Okay, remarkable women. She also very good, talented women. Okay, children, can you understand? Can you understand previous class topics? Okay, now let's start our remaining topics today. Okay, children, so all of you listen carefully. Now today our topic sports. Okay, the remaining topics. The first one, sports. Okay, in everywhere, every field the women are showing their talents. Yes, women are playing important role. Yes, yes or no? Like that, the sports field also the women are showing their talents. Okay, playing important role. Okay, but in olden time, the past and period, the women are only fit for housework. But nowadays that all has changed. Yes, nowadays that all the things has changed. Yes, yes or no? Have you seen that? Yes, yes. So the nowadays equal both men and women. We have to treat equal both men and women in the world. Yes. So first of all, we have to know some sports women. Okay, so they are Sania Mirza. Do you know, children, Sania Mirza? You don't know means you can see next page. You can see next page. Page number 32. Page number 32. Is there first picture the famous tennis player? Yes, is there? She is the Sania Mirza. She is the Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza is the famous tennis player. Nowadays we can see Sania Mirza is the famous tennis player. And then PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal. They both played badminton. They both played badminton. They are famous in badminton. They are famous in badminton. Okay, who are they? PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal. They are both in famous badminton. Okay, next Mary Kom. Next one, Mary Kom in wrestling. Mary Kom in wrestling. She is the first woman wrestling lady. Wrestling woman. Okay, she is the first woman wrestling achiever. Okay, and then Hena Sindhu. Next one, Hena Sindhu is the famous shooting lady. Okay, the Hena Sindhu is the famous woman shooting lady. So like this, some famous women in our country. Okay, some famous sportswomen in our country. Okay, children, can you understand? Can you understand? So like that, every field, everywhere the women are showing their talents now. Okay, nowadays. Now we have to know some famous women achievers in our country. Okay. So all of you take page number 30. All of you take your book, social studies book, page number 30. Have you taken, children? Okay. Is there? It is a fact. One box, yes. It is a fact, yes. Is there? Yes. In the box there are 3 pictures. Yes. In the box there are 3 pictures. Yes. The first picture, Kalpana Chawla. The first picture, Kalpana Chawla. She was the first Indian woman astronaut. She was the first Indian woman astronaut to go into space. Kalpana Chawla is the first Indian women astronauts. Okay. First நம்ம இந்தியால இருந்து ஸ்பேஸ்க்கு போன முதல் பெண். Okay. Her name is Kalpana Chawla. Can you see, children? In the first picture, Kalpana Chawla. She was the first woman astronaut. First இந்தியாவுல விண்வெளிக்கு போன விண்வெளி வீரர். Okay. The first woman, Kalpana Chawla. Okay. Then next picture. You see next picture, Bajyantri Pal. Next picture, Bajyantri Pal. She was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. She was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest in 1984. Okay. Then next picture, Bajyantri Pal. Bajyantri Pal also the Indian woman. Bajyantri Pal also Indian woman. She was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Mount Everest, one mountain. Okay, Mount Everest, Everest mountain. Okay, so she was the first woman climb Mount Everest. First Mount Everest மலை ஏறினவங்க Bajyantri Pal. Okay, she was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest in 1984. That year she was climbed the Mount Everest. Okay, she was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest, Bajyantri Pal. Okay, then third picture, Kavita Devi. Kavita Devi. Okay, she also the first woman wrestler. Okay, first woman wrestler to complete WWE. Okay, in 2017. Okay, so these 3 women are famous women achievers in our country. Okay, children, can you understand? So the first picture, Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was the first woman Indian astronaut. And then second picture, Bajyantri Pal. She also first woman to climb Mount Everest, Indian woman. Okay, then Kavita Devi. Kavita Devi was the first woman wrestler in 2017. Okay, so these 3 women are famous achievers, women achievers. Okay, children, can you understand? Can you understand these topics, this lesson? Okay, today all of you have to read the book. Okay, children, all of you have to read page number 28, 29 and 30. Okay, 3 pages you have to read today itself. Okay. Okay, and we also now have to study every day. Okay, you have to study every day your classwork and read the book. Okay, children, so now let's start to write our classwork. Okay, children, so all of you take your social classwork. All of you take your social classwork notes. All of you take your social classwork. Have you taken? Write continuously. Okay, already in the previous class we have written missing letters, meanings, fill-ups. Yes, have you written, children? Have you written completely? Okay, I hope you have written. Now write the answer the following. Okay, so all of you have, first of all you have to write today date and day, and then write answer the following. Answer the following. Write neatly, leave one line and write neatly, children. Answer the following. ANSWER. Answer THE the following. FOLLOWING. Answer the following. Have you written, children? So leave one line and write neatly. Handwriting should be neat. First one, what is gender sensitivity? Write, all of you, write neatly, children. What is gender sensitivity? WHAT. What? IS is GENDER. Gender. SENSITIVITY. Sensitivity. What is gender sensitivity? Sensitivity. Sensitivity. Okay. Have you written, children? Then next line write answers. GENDER. 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 First letter should be capital. Okay, children, write neatly. GENDER. Gender. Sensitivity. 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 Gender sensitivity. IS is, gender sensitivity is understanding. UNDER. Understanding. Understanding. UNDER. Understanding. The rights of women. THE the RIGHTS. RIGHTS. Rights of 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 women. 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 And 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 treating. 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 Treating them. THEM. Treating them with equal respect. WITH. With equal respect. EQUAL. 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 Equal respect. 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 Have you written, children? Have you written first question? Okay, all of you listen carefully. I am going to read. You all listen. Okay. What is gender sensitivity? What is gender sensitivity? So the answer, gender sensitivity is understanding the rights of women and treating them with equal respect. Okay, again, what is gender sensitivity? Gender sensitivity is understanding the rights of women and treating them with equal respect. Okay, have you, and can you read, children? All of you read. Gender sensitivity. Yes. Treating them with equal respect. Very good. Then leave one line and write next question. How should we treat women in the society? How should we treat the women in the society? All of you write slowly and neatly. Your handwriting should be very neat. Okay, children? Always keep it in your minds. Okay, write all of you. HOW, how. HOW, how. SHOULD. SHOULD, should. How should we treat? WEV, TREAT. TREAT, treat. Women, W-O-M-E-N, women, W-O-M-E-N, women, I-N-N, T-H-E, the, S-O-C-I-E-T-Y, society, S-O-C-I-E-T-Y, society, question mark. Have you written? How should we treat women in the society? Okay, then answer. We should give them equal opportunities and respect in the society. Okay, so very easy only. Okay, so we can study easily. Yes, yes children, the answers are very short. Yes, so we can study easily. Yes, so every day you should study everyday classes. Okay children, so right now we should, W-E-V-S-H-O-U-L-D, should, S-H-O-U-L-D, should, give them, G-I-V-E, give, G-I-V-E, give them, T-H-E-M, give them equal opportunity, E-Q-U-A-L, E-Q-U-A-L, equal opportunity, O-P-P-O-R-T-U-N-I-T-Y, O-P-P-O-R-T-U-N-I-T-Y, opportunity. Opportunity means வாய்ப்புகள். Okay, O-P-P-O-R-T-U-N-I-T-Y, opportunities, and A-N-D, and respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T, respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T, respect in society, I-N-N, S-O-C-I-E-T-Y, society, S-O-C-I-E-T-Y, society. Have you written children? Have you written answers? Okay, all of you listen. How should we treat women in the society? How should we treat women in the society? Answer. We should give them equal opportunities and respect in society. Okay, we should give them equal opportunities and respect in society. So all of you read children, second question and answer. Opportunity and respect in society. Okay, very good. Then third question, leave one line and write third question. Name the first woman Prime Minister of India. Name the first woman Prime Minister of India. All of you write N-A-M-E, name, N-A-M-E, name, T-H-E, the, F-I-R-S-T, first, woman, W-O-M-A-N, W-O-M-A-N, woman, Prime Minister, P-R-I-M-E, P-R-I-M-E, Prime, M-I-N-I-S-T-E-R, Minister, Prime Minister, P-R-I-M-E, Prime, M-I-N-I-S-T-E-R, Prime Minister of India, O-F of I-N-D-I-A, India. Have you written children? Name the first woman Prime Minister of India. So the answer, Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. So write I-N-D-I-R-A, I-N-D-I-R-A, Indira, I-N-D-I-R-A, Indira Gandhi, G-A-N-D-H-I, G-A-N-D-H-I, Indira Gandhi was, W-A-S was, W-A-S was, T-H-E, the first woman, F-I-R-S-T, first, F-I-R-S-T, first women, W-O-M-A-N, women, W-O-M-A-N, women, Prime Minister, P-R-I-M-E, Prime, M-I-N-I-S-T-E-R, Prime Minister, P-R-I-M-E, Prime, M-I-N-I-S-T-E-R, Prime Minister of India, O-F of I-N-D-I-A, India, I-N-D-I-A, India. Have you written children? So all of you listen carefully. Name the first woman Prime Minister of India. Say all of you, name the first woman Prime Minister of India. So the answer, Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Okay, so all of you read third question and answer. Indira Gandhi was the first Indian woman Prime Minister of Prime Minister of India. Okay, so all of you listen again one time. I will read all the questions. You also read with me. Okay. What is gender sensitivity? Say all of you, what is gender sensitivity? Gender sensitivity is understanding the rights of women and treating them with equal respect. Okay, again on time, what is gender sensitivity? Gender sensitivity is understanding the rights of women and treating them with equal respect. Okay, then second question, how should we treat women in society? How should we treat women in the society? We should give them equal opportunity and respect in society. We should give them equal opportunities and respect in society. Then third question, name the first woman Prime Minister of India. Answer, Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Okay children, can you read now? Can you read? Okay, all of you read. First question. Okay, very good. Then second question, read all of you. Opportunity. Yes. Then third question, read all of you. Okay, very good. Now leave one line and write fourth question, all of you. Okay, have you finished three question answers? Okay, then leave one line and write fourth question. Name at least 3 women achievers. Name at least 3 women achievers. NAME, name. AT, LEAST, at least. TH or EE, 3. TH or EE, 3. Women, WOMEN, women. Achievers, ACHIEVERS, achievers. ACHIEVERS, achievers. Name at least 3 women achievers. Okay, the answer, Bajendri Pal, Kavita Devi and Kalpana Chawla. Okay, Bajendri Pal, Kavita Devi and Kalpana Chawla. Okay, all of you write Bajendri Pal. BACHENDRI, Bajendri Pal, PAL. BACHENDRI, Bajendri Pal, PAL, Bajendri Pal, comma, and then Kavita Devi, KAVITA, 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 Kavita Devi, DEVI, Kavita Devi, and then Kalpana Chawla, KALPANA, Kalpana, CHAWLA, Kalpana Chawla. Have you written, children? Okay, all of you listen. Name at least 3 women achievers. Answer, Bajendri Pal, Kavita Devi and then Kalpana Chawla. Okay, have you written, children? So leave one line and write fifth one. Name any 2 Indian women who have excelled in the field of sports. Name any two Indian women who have excelled in the field of sports. Okay. The answer Sania Mirza, PV Sindhu. Sania Mirza and PV Sindhu. Okay. So write the question. Name, name. ANYNE TWO, two. Indian, INDIAN, Indian women, WOMEN, women who have WHO, who have HAVE, have excelled, EXCELLED, excelled in the field, INTHE, the FIELD, field, OF of sports, SPORTS, sports. Have you written? Then answer Sania Mirza, SANIA, Sania Mirza, MI or ZA, Sania Mirza. Then comma PV Sindhu, P dot V dot Sindhu, 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 Sindhu. Have you written, children? Have you written? Okay. Then listen, read. Okay. Name any two Indian women who have excelled in the field of sports. Sania Mirza and PV Sindhu. Okay. So very easy. Can you read, children? So all of you read. Fourth question. Name it at least three women achievers. Bajendri Pal, Kavita Devi, Kalpana Chawla. And then fifth question. Name any two Indian women who have excelled in the field of sports. Sania Mirza and PV Sindhu. Okay. So very easy 5 question answers. Yes. So can you study today? Okay, all of you have to study every day. Okay, so today we have to study and write the 5 question answer in your rough note. Okay, children, when you come to school, I have to see that. Okay, so all of you study and write every day in your classwork, in your rough note. Okay, children. Now, have you finished your classwork? Now, all of you take your book. Today, your homework in the book. Okay, so all of you take your book, page number 32 and 33. The 2 pages only were homework. Now homework. Today your homework is in the book. Okay, so you have to write the answer in the book. Okay. So all of you take your social studies book, page number 32 and 33. All of you take your social studies book, page number 32 and 33. Have you taken book? Have you taken page number 32? Okay. Identify the following. Identify the following famous women achievers. Is there? Option C. Identify the following famous women achievers. Okay, that only your homework. Okay, the famous tennis player already, the Phillips. What is the answer? Sania Mirza. Okay, so that picture, the picture there is Sania Mirza. Okay, so the answer is Sania Mirza, first one. Okay, like that all the picture, you know that. Yes. Next to the famous wrestler. A famous wrestler is there in your book. Okay, so you have to find the answers and write. Okay, children. You have to read the book and write. Okay. All of you have to read the book and write the correct answer. Okay. And then 33 also, a social worker. The picture is Mother Teresa. Yes. So you have to social worker, the name Mother Teresa. Next to the fourth one, first woman Prime Minister of India? Who is the first woman Prime Minister? Yes. So the answer is, you know that. Yes. Then fifth one, first Indian woman astronauts. Yes. Then sixth one, first Indian woman to win Olympic silver medal in badminton. Okay, that also is there in the book. Yes. So you have to see the correct spelling, correct name and correct spelling. Okay, then first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest, and then eighth one, first woman wrestler to complete in WWE. Okay, so that all the names, the pictures there, you have to write the correct name. Okay, that all in your book. Okay, so you have to see that and write the correct spelling. Okay, that is your homework. So all of you have to read the book and write the correct answer. Okay children, can you understand? Can you write? Okay, I hope you have right. So all of you have to write. Okay, that is your homework. Then we will see our next class. Okay children, so all of you have to read the book, write the homework every day and send through the WhatsApp, okay, to the school. Okay children, can you understand? Have a nice day. We will see next class.